Hey babes, thanks for tuning in. Let's jump into this look, okay? I'm starting off with my Plan to Make by Yolanda's Gem Rock No Limitation palette. I'm going to apply my eyeshadow base on my eyelid. This is in the shade Rumored 1 by P. Louise. Using my Real Technique brush, I'm just going to make sure I blend that eyeshadow base out completely. After making sure my eyeshadow base is blended out, I'm going to take that burnt orange shade inside, I think it's called Sydney, inside of that eyeshadow palette by Plan to Make by Yolanda. This is the Gem Rock No Limitations palette. I'm going to make sure I take that color, put it in my crease, and blend it out as well. Alright, so this is my second transition shade. The first one was the burnt orange. The second one, I'm using this yellow and I'm applying it right over that burnt orange, meaning I'm smoking it out right underneath my brows. Alright, y'all, now I'm taking that burnt orange color. I'm applying it right back to my crease because we lost it a little bit doing that yellow, but I'm just going back and forth. You don't see me with the yellow, but I'm going back and forth with the yellow and the burnt orange. Taking this dark brown shade, I'm going to take this right at my crease, y'all, and start slowly blending it up. Using a very small brush. This is an M506 brush by Morphe. I'm just making sure I don't go up too far where I lose my burnt orange. Alright, y'all, this is the fun part. I already put my Duo Lash Glue on my eyelid. This is glitter from J. LaRue Cosmetics in the shade Flirt. Y'all, look at this glitter. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. It's like a bronze gold. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid. Now taking my Milani's liquid eyeliner, I'm going to apply that on my eyelid and I'm going to create a wing. Alright, so this is just a little bit extra, but I just wanted to give my eye a little bit more depth because it doesn't have that because I got hooded eyes. So I'm just applying this cranberry shade glitter in the outer corner of my eyelid before I apply my lash glue. Alright, so this is completely optional. You can use whatever primer you want to use. I'm just using Calamine lotion because right now I'm dealing with oily skin, and yeah, this helps control it. I'm applying my lashes. These lashes is from a local beauty supply store, but they are the brand Mystic, and I don't know the number, but yeah, I'm just putting them lashes on, girl. I also use the Duo Lash Glue to apply my lashes. After I got them lashes adjusted, I'm finna get this together. Okay, I'm finna apply my foundation. This is my CoverGirl's foundation in the shade Classic Tan. And I did mix that blue mixing pigment. It's called Foundation Mixing Pigment by LA Girl. I did mix that to neutralize this foundation, y'all, because it was a little orange. I will show you exactly what I do with that mixing pigment in the next video. Please don't forget this step, y'all. I be forgetting to pull my headband back so that lace can match that skin tone. So if you have a headband on while you apply makeup, just pull that sucker back so you can get it together. Using my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer, I'm going to apply this in my T-zone area to highlight my face. using my foundation stick by Juvia's Place that I use to contour in the shade Castina. I'm going to apply that around my face, basically to contour my face with a concealer brush. Time for that elbow grease. Start the blending. Now that everything is pretty much blended together, I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Revolution setting powder in the shade Banana. When I set my face, I pretty much set the highlighted areas, which is my T-zone, forehead, underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, upper lip, chin. Everywhere I applied the concealer, I set. Using my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to use my fluffy angle brush and start to warm my face back up. After applying my eyeliner, I'm going to just smoke out underneath my eyes. So using those browns that I use at the top of my eyelid, I'm going to use those at the bottom. Jumped into the darkest brown to the lightest. Then I'm going to the orange and then the yellow. Now I'm just going to start pressing that powder into my face, y'all, with the foundation brush I used earlier. Using this face palette I got by Beauty Bakery, I'm going to use this brown to just set the rest of my face. Now I'm just using my NYX setting spray to set my face, and I also went behind with my Maybelline Inflammable setting spray to set my face as well. No important reason, just they was both right there, so I used it. After that, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London's brown matte lipstick, and I'm going to, first I was going to do the ombre look. So I was going to outline my lips with the brown. Then I was like, oh, this brown look really good with this gold. So I put the brown all over my lips. And you're going to then see me set it with some setting powder. Then I was like, this brown needed a little bedazzle, so I then started adding dual lash glue to my lips. After I put the dual lash glue on, I decided to put some gold glitter on there. This is my highlight by Juvia's Place in the shade Nefertiti. I'm just going to apply this to my cheekbones. And this is the finished look, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, taking time to watch this video. If you have any questions on any products that I use, please leave a comment down below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until the next video, y'all, peace.